Welcome on the How To. Before watching this video, don't forget to subscribe for more free how to videos. So now let's go. Learning how to do something, learn from how to videos. A great how to video can get you a better grasp of an area of interest that you want to understand better. Whether it is a skill that you want to improve or you want to simply learn something new, you can find helpful videos to teach you how to do it. A how-to video typically consists of a short, informal text or video explaining how to perform a certain activity. A how-to video can leave out important details simply to make it easier for experts and thus can be greatly simplified to simplify it for beginners. For example, if you were to watch a how-to on how to build a solar panel, you would probably have trouble grasping what the actual process entails and would most likely end up going elsewhere to learn more. However, if you were to watch a how-to on how to build a solar panel using a guide that is designed specifically for beginners, you would be able to see exactly what steps need to be taken, and what equipment and materials will be needed to complete the project. The first step to watching a how-to video is to determine whether it's appropriate for your level of knowledge and ability. If you have little experience in this type of subject, you probably won't benefit much from watching a how-to video. If you've already done research on the topic, though, you can benefit from watching one since it would help you better understand the information that is being presented. Once you have decided whether or not you need to watch a how-to video, it's also a good idea to check out the type of information that you're being presented with. Some videos provide detailed instructions, while others are more general and focus on a single step of the process. This means that you'll need to read a description of a particular step before you can move on, making it important to have a clear understanding of what you're being shown in order to fully understand. When you finally decide to watch a how-to video, it's a good idea to pay close attention. If you find yourself going back and forth between the video and the text, you may need to consider rewinding the video or taking another look at the text. That way, you will have the opportunity to listen to both the video and the text so that you can understand it more closely. After you've listened to both, you may be better able to understand what is being discussed. Watching a how-to video is a great way to gain a basic understanding on topics that you may not otherwise understand. You can even find a good way to teach a child how to do things by showing him or her how to do it. After all, it is easier for them to comprehend things when they are explained rather than being told. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video for more how to.